Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome to
today
is my vlog.
Today
Three.
and part
And
4
next New Year.
New Year.
I'm
Part
celebrate my friends. And
Pa-
you make the sound.
part lang. Ito muna yung sasalita. Tapos and part 4
Soon.
coming tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye. I'm asleep. Goodbye.
Okay guys. Okay.
Good morning.
Part 4 is coming tomorrow. Real tomorrow.